Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm BB Oyejo, and if it's your first time here, please do not forget to hit the subscribe button, and you're most definitely welcome. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by again. Today's video is a turban tutorial. I'm going to be showing you guys how I tie different styles of turbans. And without wasting much of your time, we're just going to get right into it. I always have this ribbon behind. For the sake of this video, I'm wearing this cap. I usually do not tie my scarf with it, but because of the video, I'm going to be using the cap inside my scarf. You guys want to make sure you have something that gives your hair volume. It could be a ribbon, or you could wrap like another scarf, you know, just so it gives your scarf volume, so that it can be easy for you to tie. I'm tying it at the back. And I take the left side and I just take it across, and I put it under. And then I just tuck it in. I find it convenient. You can leave this, just, you know, leave it. Is quite easy. You just take this and wrap it. enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, like and share. Do not forget to subscribe if you haven't. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.